pray for all who share the work and vision of this order as members, volunteers, and staff around the world. We give thanks for the example of your servant Patrick, our former Chancellor, and we pray especially today for Gillian as she takes up the privilege and responsibility of leadership amongst us.
Sister, I receive you as a Dane Grand Cross of this most venerable order.
His Royal Highness Prince Richard Alexander Walter George, 2nd Duke of Gloucester, a Knight Companion of the Most Noble Order of the Garter, a Knight Grand Cross of the Royal Victorian Order, and a Bailiff Grand Cross of the Most Venerable Order of the Hospital of St. John of Jerusalem, and Grand Prior of the said Most Venerable Order, to all whom these presents shall come, greetings. We present to your Royal Highness our sister Dr. Gillian Elizabeth Willmore, a Dame Grand Cross of the said Most Venerable Order, whom you have selected as Chancellor to receive the honour of installation.
Sister, it is with great pleasure that we receive you for installation as Chancellor of the Order.
When he looked up and saw the large crowd coming towards him, Jesus said to Philip, "Where shall we buy bread for these people to eat?" He said this to test him, for he already knew within himself what he was going to do.
The action of God in this narrative is hidden. We're only given the result, 12 baskets full of what was left over. If we look at the history and the present experience all over the world of the Order of St. John, we can see 12 baskets, to be exact. 11 priories and the eye hospital, which you could say represents 12 baskets in itself. Associations and establishments covering over 40 countries. It is my hope that the next few years of the life of the Order of St. John and the Johannine orders will, in great contrast, give stability to human growth and the further establishment of a first aid model which will continue to bring life to thousands of people, accepting the voluntary giving of ourselves, our medically refined first aid understanding, and our faith in God to increase humane compassion among us.
The order into which you have been invested as a Christian order of chivalry. Its roots go back many centuries to the first hospital in Jerusalem, and the Order of St. John has a long and fascinating history. The nature of the order as a Christian order, however, is not just about its foundation and history, it is a present reality.